Welcome back, everybody. Finally got the 1970 Blazer out for its first official run. We went to France Park in Logansport, Indiana. This one was kind of a interesting build and a little story behind it. This is the prototype number 1 of existence, as far as I know. Number 2 was printed out and provided to a friend in Champaign, Illinois, at a pretty well-known location that a lot of us hobbyists know. This new friend of mine put his together, did a fantastic job, and just recently put it out on social media, and it went wildfire. His is dark blue with a black top on it. Maybe you've seen it. But this one here is the prototype, as I said. 2-tone colors, all rattle canned. Did a lot of filling, sanding, primer work on this to get it to where it's at. It does pretty good. It's a big vehicle for in the woods and a difficult one to film in tight spaces for sure. We're having fun over here 3D printing these bodies and putting them on Axial SCX6s. And I hope that you enjoy this video. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.